What is up, traders? My name is Fernando, and in this video I'll be giving you guys an honest review of EXNESS. And as a lot of you guys may know, EXNESS is a forex broker, right? And they offer you almost any service that you can think of that a broker offers you, a forex broker offers you. So I'm pretty sure you're watching this either because you're considering trading with EXNESS, or you maybe heard of it somewhere and you would like to know more about EXNESS, right? So if that's the case, stay tuned till the end of the video, where I'll also be reviewing whether I think they are a scam or not, right? Which is the most important thing, right? So the first point that we'll be going into is, where is EXNESS based? I feel like as someone that's trading with a broker, first you would like to know where they're based and just kind of know the background to the broker, just to have that sense of security and know that you have a sense of trust with the broker that you're using, right? So EXNESS is actually based in Limassol, Cyprus, right? That's where their headquarters are, and they obviously they have branches in other countries. For example, they have a branch in South Africa, I know for sure. They have a branch in Nigeria. They have a branch in the UK. They have multiple actually branches. So if you're wondering if there is a branch in the country that you're at, you can simply just go onto Google and find out. I'm pretty sure that will be easy. Second point that we'll be going into is the leverage. How is the leverage on EXNESS? So the leverage goes from 1 to 200 to all the way up to 1 to 2,000, which is very high risk, right? I would not recommend that you trade with such high leverage unless you're willing to risk your whole capital, all of your capital, basically. Third point that we'll be going into is the spreads. I know a lot of you guys ask me about different brokers' spreads and how they are and if I would recommend them. So with EXNESS, their spread is 0.2 pips on a standard account. So if you were to ask me, I'd say that's a very reasonable and low spread, and I personally feel like it's spectacular. Fourthly, the commissions. A lot of brokers charge commissions, right? And this is what makes EXNESS great. There is no commissions. You are charged no commission for whatever trade or transaction that you make using EXNESS. That means that whenever you trade, you will not be charged any commission. Whenever you withdraw or deposit, you will not be charged any commission, right? Point number 5, I'll just say that, is the gateways, the payment gateways, right? They actually offer multiple payment gateways for any deposits or withdrawals that you are trying to make, right? So the first one is your bank card. You can just simply use your MasterCard bank cards, right? And then you also have internet banking, which you can also use for both depositing and withdrawing, right? And then thirdly, you have your Visa card. You can use your Visa card to deposit and withdraw money. This applies to all the options actually. You can also use Binance Pay, you can use Neteller, you can use Ozo, you can use Perfect Money, you can use Skrill. I know a lot of people in the Western countries like the States, Canada, the UK, most people prefer to use Skrill, right? And lastly, on the list, we have Stick Pay. You can use Stick Pay. One point that I'd like to make, and just so that you guys also know about this, is that let's say you deposit money. Let's say you deposit $50, right? I use dollars because I'm just gonna use the currency dollars because that's the currency that I use to trade. That's my base currency. So let's say you deposit $50 into your trading account, right? And you make some profits and you want to withdraw the money. So you have to do what you first have to do what's called a refund, right? This basically means that you have to withdraw withdraw basically the money that you deposited first as capital into whatever account or bank account that you used to deposit. So if you use your MasterCard bank account to deposit, you are going to have to refund that $50 first, and then whatever profit you have left, you can withdraw using whatever payment option or gateway option that you would like to use, right? As long as the initial capital that you put in is refunded in your account that you used to deposit, then the rest you can just deposit it in another alternative account that you would like to withdraw it into. So the next point that we'll be going into is the withdrawal time. How long does it take you to receive your withdrawals, right? So on the official page, it states that it takes from 1 to 5 business days for you to receive your withdrawal. But from my personal experience, I'd say 98% of the time, it does not take me more than 48 hours to receive my funds, my withdrawals, right? But you guys also have to know that it depends on your financial services provider, right? It depends on the bank that you're banking with, on how long they take to process your transaction, right? For some people, it may take 48 hours, as it does for me. For some people, it might take 72 hours or even more, but it's never more than 5 business days, right? Because I know for some people, especially if you're trading with the broker for the first time, you worry. It's that period of you waiting for your withdrawal. It's very it gives you a lot of anxiety. You get very anxious, wondering whether or not you will receive your funds. I'm sorry. Next point is the customer support, right? So with EXNESS, they have an automated bot that can assist you with whatever problems that you have. But if you still feel like your problem is not resolved, then you still have the option to talk to a real agent that will actually help you to troubleshoot and resolve whatever problem you're experiencing. Next point that we'll be going into is the ultimate question that you guys have been waiting for, right? Are they legit? Are they a scam or not? So I will mention that I've traded with EXNESS. They're not the only broker that I use, right? But I've traded with EXNESS for, I'd say, 4 years now. It's been 4 years and I've never experienced any problems with them. And bear in mind, guys, this is not a paid promotion. This is not a partnership. They are not paying me to make this video. This is just my honest review. In the 4 years that I've traded with EXNESS, I have never experienced any problems. Of course, there'll be slight problems here and there, but like whenever I had problems, they would be so quick and they were so responsive. Like, they was just immediate with the response, right? And they would help me resolve whatever issue that I had. There was this time where I don't remember what the actual problem was, but like it had something to do with having to verify my identity because someone was trying to log into my account and they were trying, so they basically wanted to make sure that it's actually me, right? And it's not a scam. It's not someone trying to like steal my money or my funds or anything of that sort. So they froze my account. I contacted live support, and within a few minutes, less than an hour, I received an email from them. Then they asked me for my my Skype account, so that we can have one of the agents can video call me, still a video call, can give me a Skype call and verify if it's actually me. And I had one of their agents call me from their branch in Nigeria, and we basically had a call which was not more than 10 minutes, where they verified if it was me and just asked for my ID, right? And just like that, I had access to my bank account, I mean my trading account, sorry. And then with those, also with that, I've never experienced any problems. So yeah, in that department, top tier. The next point is the promotions. I won't actually go into depth with this. I'll just make a separate video. If you guys would like to see me make a separate video about the deals that they offer, partnerships, anything that's of that sort, just let me know in the comment section below, right? But one thing that I'll just mention briefly is their partnership, right? They have this affiliate program where you can sign up with them for the program and become their partner. And what this basically means is that you basically become their affiliate, right? And whenever someone opens a trading account with EXNESS using your link, you get paid a commission. And whenever that person trades, whether they make money or make a loss, you will be able to get a commission from that, right? And you make your money from the spreads. The commission that you get comes from the spreads that are applied to them when they trade using their trading account, right? So that's something that I feel like is really great, and a great way of making extra money on the side. And I feel like if a lot of people realize the potential of affiliate marketing, they would not be sleeping on it as much. But yeah, basically you get paid for getting people to sign up with them under your unique link, right? Whenever the person trades, you make money. The next point that I'll be going into is are they a scam or not? I feel like at this point you already know. Based on what I said, is obviously they're not. EXNESS is actually, I trade using 3 brokers, right? Both, all 3 of them great, right? But like, I feel like EXNESS has to be at the top of the list. I think EXNESS is #1 on the list. I highly recommend that you trade with them, and they have all sorts of like live webinars where you get to trade with the top traders online. You can copycat with the top traders. Like, all these functions are accessible on their trading app or on their website. It doesn't matter. And yeah, that's about it actually. If you would like me to make a video explaining into depth how their partnership or affiliate program works, let me know below in the comment section, right? And if you would love to open a trading account using EXNESS, make sure to click the link in the description below. You'll find a link in the description that will take you straight to the website where you can open a trading account under EXNESS. And yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. If you guys would love to join my Telegram Telegram trading channel, then make sure to also click the link down in the description. It's a free group, right? There's a free version and there's a paid version. For the free version, I only give free signals for a specific amount of forex currency pairs, basically. And then with the paid group, you get access to all of the signals for forex currency pairs, indices, cryptocurrencies, everything that you can think of. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would love to see you on the next video. If you enjoyed it, please click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and comment what you would love to see me cover in the next video, guys. And yeah, I appreciate the love. Peace.